war, war. There are really many, many movies. Star Wars? I saw it a long time ago. The signs "See, Finish" are translated as "I have seen it." It's a kid's movie. This is the basic form of the sign "Other." If the sign is repeated with the facial expression you will see, it means, what else is there? What else is there? I want a romantic love type movie. What else is there? Love at first bite? I saw it 2 weeks ago. What else is there? When using a sign that can be translated in more than one way in English, and getting the right English translation is important, you can fingerspell the particular translation you want after you make the sign. You saw the sign and then fingerspelled after that dawn, rather than say sunrise. Dawn of the Dead? To be fond of or crazy about something. To be fond of or crazy about something. Monster. Monster. I'm not crazy about monster movies. What else is there? The French Connection? A sign which means a lot of talking. A lot of talking. No, I heard it was boring. There's too much talking. Janine first mentioned what she was talking about and then gave a comment on it. So she said a lot of talking and then made her comment about that. There's too much of it. Rocky? Boxing. Boxing. It's not romantic enough. I'm not crazy about boxing. You will now see a very graphic and creative fingerspelling of the word Jaws. Jaws. Jaws? That was fingerspelled. You know, J-A-W-S, JAWS. I see, JAWS. That's groovy. Who invented that? I don't know. Somebody at Gallaudet. I don't know. Anyway, I've already seen it with my sister. What else is there? Earlier we translated see finish as have seen it or saw it, and here we're translating finish see as have already seen it. Grease or gravy. Grease or gravy. We'll translate this as grease since we don't know of any movie called Gravy. The sign for old-fashioned. Old-fashioned. Disgusted or disgusting. Disgusted or disgusting. A sign which can be loosely translated as phooey. Phooey. A description of 50s type men's hairstyles where the hair was combed back along the side of the head. Hair combed back along the sides of the head. In the context of rejecting a movie, we'll translate that sign that we called phooey as, ah, come on. So the whole translation will be, ah, come on, it's old-fashioned. All that greasy hair is disgusting. What else is there? A permanent wave is abbreviated PW. Permanent wave. Beauty shop. Beauty shop. The abbreviation PW can be followed by the sign beauty shop if there's a chance that the person being signed to won't understand the abbreviation. Billy Jack gets a permanent wave. The sign which you've already learned as work also means business. And the compound of true and work or business looks like this. It means in all seriousness. That's ridiculous. Get serious. What else is there? Here is the basic form of the sign finish. The sign can be made in a way that means there isn't any more. That's all there is. There aren't any more. That's all there is. If you're asking a question and have doubts about what the question involves, you can add this sign at the end of the question. A sign at the end of a question indicating doubt. That's all there are? Are you really serious? Yes, that was fingerspelled. What should we do? War. What else is there? Sunrise or dawn. Fond of. Monster. Blabbing. Boxing. Jaws. Grease. Old-fashioned. Disgusting. Phooey. Hair combed back along the side of the head. Permanent wave. Beauty shop. In all seriousness. There aren't any more. A sign indicating doubt.